Hey, this is Andrew Brown. In this video, we're going to take a look at conditionals. So I'm going to hit period on my keyboard here, and I'm just going to open this in another tab. I meant to keep a tab open so we can make our way over to the Actions tab. And so what I want to do this time is run a conditional. So I think I have one here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this one, and we'll paste it into our workflows directory. And it's very straightforward. The idea is that if this repo equals this, then say hello world. If it's not, say goodbye moon. So we're going to launch this one, even though this does not match our repo name. And so we're expecting only goodbye moon to execute, right? So we'll go ahead and say conditional. And we will commit that. We'll go back over to here. And we will see if that run. Well, it will run, but the question is, what will it run? So usually it's pretty darn fast here. And we'll expand it. And we get goodbye moon. Excellent. So let's go ahead and type in exam pro co GitHub examples. And we'll say conditional modified. And so we'll wait for that to complete. All right, let's take a look here to conditional modified, and we'll see hello world and goodbye moon. So they both ran as we adjust the name. So that is all we wanted to do here. I'm going to go ahead and go to this example, which is example workflow. That's a terrible name for this one. We'll go ahead and disable that workflow, but yeah, because it should have been called conditional so we know what it is. But there you go, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Ciao.